Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam, I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to pick the semi-finalists for the 50 for Me, 50 for You giveaway, hosted by Tina at Crafts by the Rose. So I already put the URL number in there. I'm doing this real quick here. Filter out duplicate users. Get the YouTube comments. There was 85 unique comments. Alright, good luck everyone. See here. Congratulations, Cheryl Hemming. I'll be forwarding your name to Tina at Crafts by the Rose for the semi-finalist drawing. Congratulations. Alright everyone. Thank you. This was a lot of fun. Thank you, Tina, for inviting me to do this. Take care everyone. Stay safe and God bless.